Where I'll be buying the LVL, which will be an extension from this corner all the way to this corner, thereby opening up this whole area. That'll allow the proper need the proper load-bearing weight for upstairs. You can see that they are temporarily putting in floors because we have plumbing underneath we have to install. So they're just getting everything level and laying it down so we can go underneath. Out here, I will show you in a second. So this is not much happening here, but let's go take a look at this area. Oh, and of course we've got the plastic down. Let's go take a look at this. All right. Okay, this is the area in the back. Different perspective. So this will be the bathroom now. You can begin to see it. This will be walled off. There'll be a bathroom door here. So the bathroom door will open right here. Get a better perspective. Bathroom door open right here. And this will be the bathroom area here. That is about 12 feet by 8. So it's a nice sized bathroom. There'll be a wall here, right here. This door will be a working door, and this will be the back door. And right here will be the utility closet. So this will be closed up. You can see we changed the roof line because it was just terrible. And we added new 2x6s here. Totally framed it out nicely. It looks absolutely awesome. We'll be putting new electric right there. That is an old 60 amp panel. It is so outdated. The new service is right there. This is the panel, which is just completely garbage. So in here, this line here is 100 amp. That needs to be updated by the city. They do that no charge, and then they'll put in a new meter, and then from the meter to the panel, that'll be new, and that'll be a 200 amp panel. This window will be gone. These windows will be gone. We'll have a side window over here, and then this will be the kitchen, living room. Over here, if we can swing it, this will be the staircase going upstairs. Do a little careful navigating here. All right. There we go. Looks nice and clean. Everything level. So I want to see this area here. That looks good. That area was the only area of the house that was actually okay. Everything else has been complete crap. And that's a technical term, complete crap. You see all the roofing work that was done, patches, and then we got special, I picked up this special, stuff here. It's a ice and water shield. It's a protection shield. It's higher end, and it's really, really good for valleys. So you can see a valley right here, and valleys oftentimes have problems, water problems, and because that's where the vast majority of water flows. Pretty simple. So anyway, wanted to share day number 3 of this renovation. And I hope you're finding it interesting, and as I am, I think it's going to be a fantastic house. It'll be a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, like I've been sharing, and market value on rent around here is like right around $2,000. If due to the load-bearing nature of that ceiling and the requirements for an engineer's plan or engineer's drawing, it would make it a little bit more difficult. it'll be a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, which I don't want that. So if it costs another, for example, if it costs another $5,000 to make a 3-bedroom, would I do it? Absolutely yes. And it's not going to be more than that. The build out, drywall, insulation, things like that, that'll certainly exceed, well, that should possibly be around $5,000 with drywall, finishing out that upstairs space, flooring. Material costs will be probably around $3,500 to $4,000. Material costs, labor will probably be maybe four, so maybe $7,500 to finish out upstairs. Do you think that you'd get a return on investment by adding an upstairs master bedroom that is about 20 feet long by at least 12 or 13 feet wide for a kid's bedroom? Would you put in an extra $7,000 or $8,000 to get that kind of value? That value being probably another $35,000 to $40,000 in market value. I think it's kind of a no-brainer, right? So let me know your thoughts, and I will see you tomorrow.